Hi there.
Hello, friends. Well, we're here again at the Ennis Bluebonnet Festival 2024.
This is our second year.
And
Year to come.
our second year. So right now we're in search of turkey legs. So come along with us and wish us luck. Here we go.
Here we go. That's cute.
Gotta have that. Mimi's Kitchen. Hey, Mimi,
Yeah.
what did you just buy?
Well, I had to. How can you not buy this? It'll be reversed, won't it? Everything's better in Mimi's Kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Because the front of it is southern.
Let me see the back. Check it out.
I feel it's time that you should know this bar's about to close. You and I should be alone, 'cause you came like a steam train over me, and before I could even breathe, you and I became to be. Give my heart to you. Would you give all yours to me? Till the day we're through now, darling. Oh, I'll be true to you. La la la, we should try our best to get away. Paris, New York, it's all the same, 'cause either way we need a change. Give my heart to you. Would you give all yours to me? Till the day we're through now, darling. Oh, I'll be through to you, and then you know I feel it's time that you should know this bar's about to close, and you and I should be alone.
Okay. We're
Let's do the. Here we go. All right.
look at here. Check this out. Oh, Look at that baby.
Okay, success story, right?
Yes.
Dig in, baby.
You know, it's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it.
Here we go.
Hi, friends. Well, we're on our way back home from the Ennis Bluebonnet Festival and Bluebonnet Trails. And, hey, it's in the books. We did it. Wasn't the best.
No, but it was a fun day. We had a good time, but bluebonnets, we just didn't see a big showing of bluebonnets this year, did we?
Yeah, in the festival, we've got rain in the forecast all weekend, and we missed a lot of vendors. I struggled trying to find my turkey leg. One place had turkey legs, but we had a good time. We really did.
We did. So you got a turkey leg, I got a painting. We picked up a couple little interesting gifts and had a fun day. So we need to practice. I need to practice on my navigating.
Well, the markings in the country's really, really hard. And when you're doing, 55, they come up on you quick. And
trying to take pictures and
yeah. And
anyway, we did a new trail this year. We did a different trail.
Yeah.
So, that's not the one I would recommend, I guess.
But this year, I think Lano gets the ticket, the #1 showing in the state that I know of. All my photography groups have been really showing off Lano. So, Lano, Texas. I'm hoping that means Fredericksburg actually is on the way back, because 3 years ago we did Fredericksburg, and it was in a kind of a drought time, and it wasn't very good. It was 0, and hopefully maybe it's made a comeback. But anyway, hey, that's a wrap for Ennis Bluebonnet Festival and Trails. And sorry for the noise. We're on our way home, and it's a little breezy and noisy. But hey, thanks for joining us, coming along with us. We really enjoyed getting out and making it for you. And hey, we look forward to the next one.
And we will see you next time.
Adios.